Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. We're going to be discussing a very important subject today, the top 10 foods that may raise your risk of dementia, which is a category of illnesses that impair thinking, memory, and behavior. Millions of people worldwide suffer from dementia, and nutrition has a big impact on brain health. Research indicates that some foods may have a detrimental effect on brain function, even though nutrition isn't the only issue. Let's investigate these foods and their better options, so let's all become better informed and make wiser decisions. Before we start, it's essential to note that no single food can cause dementia on its own. However, certain foods, especially when consumed regularly, can contribute to cognitive decline. Let's explore these foods. Number 10. Sugary beverages. Drinks with added sugar, energy drinks, and sodas raise the risk of type 2 diabetes, which is associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. High fructose corn syrup, which is frequently found in these beverages, has been linked to memory loss and inflammation of the brain. Select fresh fruit-infused water, unsweetened tea, or water. Number 9. Refined carbs. Foods that raise insulin and blood sugar levels, such as white bread, pasta, and pastries, increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. These spikes have the potential to impair the health of the brain by oxidative stress and inflammation. Select whole grain substitutes that are high in minerals and fiber. Number 8. Trans fats. Trans fats, which are present in frosting, margarine, and packaged baked products, have been demonstrated to raise the risk of dementia. Trans fats can contribute to inflammation and damage to the blood vessels supplying the brain, which can impair cognitive function. Number 7. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, sausages, deli meats, and ham contain nitrites and other preservatives that may contribute to brain degeneration. A diet high in these meats is associated with faster cognitive decline. These meats also contain a lot of sodium, which raises the risk of hypertension, another dementia risk factor. Swap out for lean proteins like fish or grilled chicken. Number 6. Alcohol. Although alcohol consumption in moderation may not be hazardous, heavy alcohol use is a significant risk factor for dementia. Alcohol can damage brain cells, cause nutrient deficiencies, and increase the risk of stroke, all contributing to cognitive decline. Drinking too much alcohol can harm brain tissue and cause memory loss. Consume alcohol in moderation or think about abstaining completely. A word of caution. Before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Number 5. Fried foods. Deep-fried foods such as French fries and fried chicken are heavy in calories and bad fats. Trans fats, which are frequently found in deep-fried foods, may raise the risk of dementia. These meals increase the risk of diabetes and obesity, two conditions that are associated with an increased risk of dementia. Choose to make your favorite items air-fried or baked. Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. Studies have indicated that artificial sweeteners, which are present in diet drinks and sugar-free items, may have adverse effects on the health of the brain. Though more research is needed, it's best to consume these in moderation. Number 3. High-sodium foods. Fast meals, soups in cans, and salty snacks can raise blood pressure, which is linked to dementia risk. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels in the brain, leading to cognitive decline. To add flavor, use herbs and spices and choose for low-sodium choices. Number 2. Red meat. Although red meat can be included in a healthy diet in moderation, too much of it has been connected to a higher risk of dementia. Red meat is high in saturated fats, which can contribute to plaque buildup in the brain. Choose leaner proteins, such as chicken and fish. And finally, number 1. Highly processed foods. Fast food, prepared meals, and prepackaged snacks are frequently loaded with chemicals, harmful fats, and sugars. These foods can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, both harmful to brain health. Highly processed foods such as packaged snacks, chips, and prepared meals have been linked to an increased risk of dementia. According to a study, the risk of dementia rose by 25% for every 10% increase in daily consumption of these items. Instead, choose whole, minimally processed foods. While avoiding these foods completely isn't necessary, limiting them and focusing on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support brain health. Remember, a balanced diet is just one part of a brain-healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, mental stimulation, and social engagement. If you're concerned about dementia risk, consult a doctor or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Remember, this is just a starting point. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and comment down below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.